How to decrease video file size in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If you're struggling with video file sizes on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to decrease the size of your videos without losing the quality. So let's dive right in. First things first, go to your Photos app and then check the size of the video. So hold on any space of the screen and then swipe up. Here you can see that the video file size is 47 MB. Now, to compress the size, you'll need to go to your App Store and then on the search bar on the bottom right, search for compress videos and resize videos. So this is the best app out there. Once you install it, hit open. Now tap on select videos to compress. So once you have chosen the video, you'll find frame rate and video dimension option. You can just decrease the slider. If you want to compress the file a lot, then hit compress. And there you go. You can see that the video has been reduced to 7.3 MB. And then the savings is 39.7 MB. So video size has decreased a lot. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.